My name is Nick Muhammad Azhar Miniam, right?
And my name is Nur Iskandar bin Abdul Ghaffar, and we are from group T38.
Today we have done our mini project, which is experiment 10.
Last week, we have done our ninth experiment, which is Introduction to Simulation Software.
In this experiment, we have to understand the basic concept of simulation and circuit design using Proteus Design Suite.
So, the experiment 10 is the extension of experiment 9, which is we have to print out and install all the components into the circuit that we have designed in experiment 9.
So, this is our schematic diagram that we have designed with the Proteus Design Suite software. From this schematic diagram, we got our PCB layout for the circuit.
So, this is PCB fabrication process. The first one is board preparation. Second one is laminate process. Third is exposure. Fourth, developing. Fifth, etching. Then, photoresist stripping, and the last one is drilling.
Firstly, we clean copper on PCB surface, laminate dry resist film onto PCB copper surface.
After that, we use UV exposure to transfer the layout or artwork onto copper board.
In this machine, the unexposed photoresist is removed chemically using developer, leaving the layout in photoresist on copper. This process will take for about 3 minutes. When finished, remove the board and rinse away the excess chemical with water. The parts that are to be etched should look like completely clean copper, no residue. A well-developed board should have solid trace and a clean copper background.
In this step, the board is placed in an etcher, which is a machine that washes warm ferric chloride or another etchant over the board, eating away any exposed copper. For this step, we will need to make sure that etchant is warm enough to use. This step takes 2 minutes. After etch, only solid trace left. A photoresist stripper will be needed to reveal the copper covered by the photoresist.
Next step is photoresist stripper. In the first tank of the PCB bench line, immerse the etched circuit board for about 3 minutes. This process will remove all the photoresist from the etched circuit board, revealing the copper that makes the circuit on the board. After 3 minutes, rinse the circuit board with water.
In the second tank of the PCB bench, immerse the board for 4 minutes. This process cleans the board and designed to prepare the copper for plating. After 4 minutes, rinse the circuit board with water.
The drilling process is a process of making holes on PCB by using suitable drilling bit. Always hold the drill straight and do not bend it or move the PCB when the hole has started. Hold the board tightly while drilling, but not to move it.
So, this is our printed circuit board, or we call it PCB. All the components were installed very well. And the buttons also in good condition. After we finish soldering all components, we supply the power to our circuit to make all the components in the circuit function. The LED is blinking. The LED is blinking because the integrated circuit or IC is controlling the LED. When we push and hold the button, the LED is stopped blinking. This is because the IC is not functioning. The value that appears in the multimeter is keep changing. This is because the IC is already set to make that.
So, that's all from us. Thank you for watching our video.
I'm sinking in.